Good morning, my dear students. This is English lesson and we are going to learn singular and plural. Let's start. Can you tell me what is this picture? An apple. Here we have one apple. So, it's one apple. How many cupcakes? Two cupcakes. Here we have only one apple, so we say it's one. And here we have more than one. So what we call it? It's many. More than one thing can say many. Here, what is this? These are stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many stars? 5 stars. So, here we have more than one star. So, we can say many stars. Children, here we have one or many hearts. Yes, here we have only one heart. So, it's one. Here we have one tree. How many pencils? One or many? Here we have many pencils. Why we are telling it many? Why we call it many? Because here we can see we have more than one pencils. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 pencils. So we call it many. Here two girls. Two girls. So many. Here, what is this? Sun. One or many? Yes, children, only one. So, one means singular and many means plural. One means singular, many means plural. I'm going to give you some examples. Like, what is this? It's a ball. How many balls you can see? Only one. So it's singular and we say ball. What we can say? We can say ball. Now tell children how many balls I have. Is it one? No. Many. Why? Because now I have more than one balls. So we can say I have ball. No. We are saying balls. The ball, the word ball ending with s sound if we have more than one, like ball, balls, ball, balls. Understood, children? Here, one more example. I have one toy. I have one toy. Now, how many toys I have? I have 3 toys, more than one. So, when I have one, then toy. It's not ending with s sound. Listen carefully. It's toy. And now, these are toys. These are toys. So, we learn toy and toys. Children, you also tell me the correct answers. Now tell children, what is this? It's one or many? Yes, it's a bird. And we have excellent, one bird. So what we can say? It's bird or birds. Very good, children. It's a bird. Why? Because it's only one. Here, next one is, these are plums. Okay. So, we have one plum or many plums. Here we have many. Why? Because plums? More than one plums. Here we have two plums. So what we say this? We says plum or plums. Here we have plural. So plum word will end with a sound. So this is the correct answer for this picture. Here it's twig. It's a twig. So we will say twig or twigs. Children, check the picture. We have one twig or many twigs. Yes, we have one twig. So it's twig, not twigs. Here children, crab. Let's see. We have one or many. Here we have many crabs. 1, 2, 3. Is it one? No, it's 3. So we have many crabs. So it's crab or crabs? Yes, children, we have many. So the crab word will end with a sound. It's crabs. Now here it's a rod. How many rods you can see here? Only one. How many rods? Only one. So it's rod or rods. Good job, children. It's rod. The word is not ending with a sound. Why? We have singular, only one rod. Now the last one is, what is this? It's a flag. How many flags you can see here? One or many? Good job, children. One flag. So we will say flag or flags. Flags? No. Why? Because it's only one. So the word will not end with the sound. We will say it's a flag, not flags. Flag. I hope you understood the concept of singular and plural. So we have uploaded the worksheets related to singular and plural. Children, whenever you are going to find out singular and plural, first check the picture, one or many. If we have only one picture, one thing, so we say singular. If we have more than one, we say many. And when we have many, we have to add sa sound. Understood, children? Thank you, children. Goodbye. God bless you.